I'm Megan Edwards for InvestmentPitch Media. Montreal-based Dynacor Gold Mines has reported record quarterly gold sales along with the highest first-quarter gold production in the company's history. The company processes gold ore purchased from artisanal miners and the small-scale mining industry in Peru. Sales for the first quarter ending March 31st, 2021 increased from $30.9 million to $40.9 million, an increase of 32.5% over the same quarter in 2020, with all numbers in U.S. funds. The $10 million increase is explained by a higher volume of gold sold at a higher average gold price, along with significantly higher gold recovery, approximately 3.4% higher than the first quarter of 2020. The increase in sales is even more remarkable given that the first quarter of sales in 2020 included approximately $8.7 million, which came from postponed gold exports from December 2019. Despite a slightly declining gold market price, Dynacor increased its quarterly sales for the third consecutive quarter. On May 13th, the company reported unaudited gold sales of $12.5 million for April. However, net income for the quarter dropped slightly from $2.4 million or 6 cents per share in the first quarter of 2020 to $2.1 million or 5 cents per share for the current quarter, a decrease of $300,000. The currently quarterly net income was impacted by the recording of a $300,000 deferred income tax expense and a $100,000 increase in general and administrative expenses. Despite the annual rainy season in Peru, the company continued attracting a large volume of ore, purchasing 32,135 tons, slightly below the level of purchases in the last quarter of 2020. Given the current inventory level and strong ore purchases, the company has initiated, ahead of schedule, the planned expansion of its Veta Dorada processing plant, which will increase the throughput level by 25% from 345 to 430 tons per day. This expansion, budgeted at $1.8 million, will be funded through internally generated cash flow and will enable Dynacor to increase production, improve cost efficiencies, create jobs, and elevate the company to top spot as Peru's largest purchaser and processor of gold ore from the artisanal and small-scale mining community. As of March 31st, 2021, the company had $17.2 million in cash on hand, up from $11.9 million at the end of December. In February, the company replaced the 1.5 cent Canadian quarterly dividend with a monthly dividend of 0.5 cent Canadian, which has just been increased by 33%, giving investors a more constant cash flow. With decades of experience in Peru, the company intends to expand its processing operations to other jurisdictions. It also owns a gold exploration property in the Apurimac department. The shares are trading at $2.72. For more information, please refer to the company's news release, visit the company's website, Dynacor.com, or contact the company at 514-393-9000, extension 230, or by email at investors@dynacor.com. I'm Megan Edwards for InvestmentPitch Media.